channel Embracing Life, and in today's video we are going to do the budget closeout for the month of November. And I think this video is going to be a very short one because I didn't spend a lot in November. Practically I didn't spend anything at all. November was a very busy month, I have to say. So let's directly begin with the video. Okay, so for November I was working with 15,000, and for giving, unfortunately November was very busy and I couldn't donate anything in this one, so this is still there. So remaining 200 is still there, so I didn't spend anything, and remaining 200 is still there. I am not talking about any loans or any of the EMIs that I have. I don't want to reveal them, so I'm skipping this part. Let's move to the expenses. Now these are the categories that always stay in my wallet, and luckily I didn't spend the whole thing. I didn't go over this budget. I spent 2400 and I was left with only 100 rupees for eating out, which is a miracle, I have to say. The next is travel. Well, for travel I did travel quite a lot, so I have spent 600 rupees in travel, so I got a negative of 100 rupees. For fun, I actually didn't spend anything for fun, as I have been saying that this was a very busy month. I didn't get any opportunity for any fun time, so why did I write 500? Is going to be 0, so I didn't spend anything, and the total 500 rupees is still there. And for miscellaneous I have taken out this 100 rupees, so the remaining 200 rupees is there. So the total that I have left from my mini envelopes is 800 rupees. Wow, so I saved 800 rupees. This is the maximum that I have ever saved from my mini envelopes. Wow, nice. Okay, moving on to the sinking funds, and these are the binders. As you all know, I use the pink one for the low priorities one and the purple one for the high priorities one. So I will be looking into them and letting you know how much is the remaining. So the first thing is this personal, and for personal I have spent 3,500 rupees out of personal. And as I have always said that this is the amount that I have budgeted for this current month, and whatever I am spending, this is also the spending of the current month, but the remaining is the total amount that is remaining in those envelopes. So for personal category, the remaining amount that I have in my envelopes is 3,000 rupees, and I guess this is the only thing that I have spent my money on. I don't think I have spent anything else on the rest of the categories. So shopping, I didn't do any shopping. The remaining amount is 1,630. Wardrobe, I didn't spend anything, so the remaining is 1,100. And self-care also I didn't spend anything, so the remaining is 600 rupees. So yes, the total spending was only in the personal category, and everything else is remaining, which is a total of 6,300 rupees. Moving on to the high priorities one. Let me put this binder back. So for the high priorities, the first one is the hobby, and from here I have spent 500 rupees, and this is the money that I have spent on the delivery for my shop Papercuts, and the remaining amount is 970. The next is life happens. Thankfully nothing is spent from here, and the remaining amount is 2,000. Medical also I didn't spend anything, so the total amount is 1,500. For subscriptions, as you all know, I always spend 200 for the OTT subscriptions, and the remaining 300 stays back for my mobile recharge. So till now 600 is remaining for subscriptions. For travel, I didn't spend anything. So the total amount remaining in travel is 3,500 rupees. For vacations also I didn't spend anything, so the total amount is 3,000 rupees. Festivals, as we all know, it is starting new, so nothing spent. Total is 500. Same goes for gifts and my birthday, 1,000 rupees. So these are the expenses. Here also, as you can see, only 700 rupees I have spent, and the remaining everything is still there. And the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,000, 12,000, 13,000, 14,000 and 70. I hope I am correct. And the last section, let's close this one up. So the last one is the savings, and for savings I have saved up, like spent nothing, and the remaining is 4,000 rupees. Okay, so the total amount that I was working with was 15,000, out of which I have only spent, I didn't write the spending here, so here the total spending that I did was 3,100 rupees. Sorry, 3,000 rupees. So 3,000 plus 6,500, 7,200 rupees. So the total spending that I did was 7,200 rupees. So the remaining amount is 7,800 rupees. So this was the budget closeout for the month of November. I hope you like it, and make sure to hit the like button, and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. I hope this was a quick video. So until next time, take care. Bye bye.